Have you ever felt, despite all the effort, things are not clicking in your photography career? Trust me, I have been there. Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel, I am Daria Koso, fashion photographer who based in Miami. Before we move forward, please give me a like. Over 11 years of my professional experience, I have already learned those mistakes and how to avoid it. And that's what helped me to stay profitable photographer. Today I'm revealing the common mistakes which all photographers make. Stick with me because those insights could transfer your career. The first mistake is undervaluing your craft. I remember those days when I was given a lot of discounts and working for free. I felt overwhelmed and started doubting myself if I was good enough. But trust me, often success is just around the corner. Know when to raise the rates and surround with the clients who value your work. For the main tips here, I would suggest you to raise your rates annually, thinking about quality, not quantity, and of course believe in your worth. Mistake number 2. Do-it-all syndrome. When I finally tasted the success, I was thinking I'm invincible. I was thinking that everything had to be done my way. It is okay to delegate. Trust me, it's very important to keep growing. For the main tips here, I would suggest you hire an assistant, trust your team, and be ready to collaborate. Mistake number 3, it's tech trap. This shot some of my best work, and it's Canon 5D Mark II. It is not just about having the newest gear. Equipment is just a tool, not an artist. Of course, it could be also like great tool motivating you, creating or trying something new, and that's great. But I would say not thinking about if you got the newest camera, you would be the best one. It's not what determines you as a good photographer. The next mistake is fear of dark. Overexposed. I think everyone done it. Afraid of dark images, and you're trying to keep your exposure lighted till your photo looks great on the screen? You don't need to be afraid. Honestly, it's very hard on the post-production get any information and details from the highlights, which is much easier from the shadows. So very important, always checking the histogram. Always shoot in RAW, test but verify, and believe in post-production magic. So the next one, bonus mistake, which I wanted to share with you, it's called thinking that you know it all. The moment when you think that you know everything, that's the moment when your growth stops. Keep learning, networking, evolving. Speaking of which, I'm thrilled to announce my upcoming workshop, which will take place in Miami early December. Dive deeper, learn from the best, yourself included. Check the description below for workshop details, and here you could see my previous workshop and how it was. Remember, every shot you take brings you closer to your masterpiece. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like, consider to subscribe to my channel, and hope you to see you next time.